Hey food lovers, today we are making something special, palm oil stew that will blow your mind. This stew is rich, packed with flavors and guaranteed to leave everyone licking their fingers. If you have never tried this before, you are in for a treat. Stay with me to the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Come to my channel and let's get going, guys. The secret to a smooth and well-balanced palm oil stew starts with boiling our fresh tomatoes, pepper, onions before blending. This step removes excess water, deepens the flavor and gives our stew that rich and thick texture. We are using beef, intestine, pomo and fresh fish. This combination adds layers of flavor that will have you coming back for more. Season generously with your favorite spices, salt, seasoning powder and some onions for extra taste. Give it a good mix and steam on a low heat before adding water to cook until tender. Now our tomatoes are ready. We'll go ahead to blend everything to a smooth and set it aside. This is our power pack stew base. It's time to check on our protein and it is well cooked already. This is the time to add our fresh fish. After adding it, you stir everything together so that the ingredients can enter the fish very well. Then you cover and allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. Now our fish is well cooked. We will now remove it to be adding it back later. Now here is where the magic happens. We are going to bleach our palm oil, but I did this off camera because of the smoky palm oil effect. This step gives the stew its signature deep smoky flavor. Pour your oil into a pot and let it heat up until it turns to a lighter golden color. Be careful, do this on a low heat to avoid it burning. Once it's properly bleached, we are ready to fry. Now we'll go in with our proteins, just our beef and our pomo to fry it. You just fry it for some time so that it will be giving you that fried beef kind of texture. When you are done with this, you go in with your chopped onions. Look at how it's looking, so succulent. After adding our onion, we'll go in with our tomato paste. Then we'll fry it on a low heat. This step is going to eliminate the sour taste of the paste. Now it's time to fry our tomato blended mix. In the oil, you add in your blended mix. Let it cook on a medium heat, stirring occasionally until the oil flows to the top. This is how you know the raw taste is gone and the flavor is locked in. The secret in making a very delicious and tasty stew is you must have patience. You must cultivate patience. If you're frying your tomato base, you must do it on a low heat, very low heat, and you continue to stir it, on interval so that it doesn't burn. With this, you'll be able to achieve mouth-watering delicious stew. You don't need to over fry your tomato because you already cooked it earlier to reduce the cooking process. Now let's take this stew to another level. We are adding our rich meat stock, dry catfish for that smoky kick, banla fish for more depth. Again, we'll go in with our crayfish and we go in with our seasoning powder and our salt, with little seasoning powder and salt because we have already steamed our meat earlier and it is well seasoned. Before you add extra seasoning to your food, make sure you have tested it to know whether it needs it or not. You stir everything together and mix it properly so that the ingredients will go around. After you stirring it, you will cover it and allow it to continue cooking on a low heat. You have to be patient, guys. Now it's time to add boiled eggs to this our stew and bring back our already cooked fish. This is going to add extra deliciousness. Look at how rich this is already, guys. At this point, the aroma in my kitchen is nose blinding. At this point, your neighbor should be wondering who is making this aromatic stew. When you cook this for your family, I bet you they are going to love. In fact, they're going to keep asking you. In fact, you will choose this palm oil stew over any kind of stew. If at this point you have watched it this end and you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, please. If you subscribe and like this video and share with your friends, it's going to help the algorithm to push videos for other people to see. Thank you in advance. For the final touch of freshness, we just added our scent leaf and our curry leaves. This step will elevate the aroma and make our stew absolutely irresistible, guys. Nobody that you will serve this stew that will not thank you. Nobody that will serve this stew that will not dash you money. If you make this stew for people, maybe for occasion, guys, they will keep booking you and they will keep calling you for more. I bet you, I kid you not. So you just cover it and just allow it to release its flavor and aroma and taste, and guys, will have it. Now our rice is also ready. I just garnish it with some carrots. It's time to serve our food, guys. And here you have it, our rich, flavorful and unforgettable palm oil stew, perfect with white rice, yam, plantain, or even bread. Just look at this beauty. Would you try this recipe? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Please don't forget to check our other cooking videos. We make amazing videos here, and don't forget to share it with your family, guys. I love you. See you in my next video. From the screen itself, I feel like devouring this food as I'm doing this voiceover. Bye.